Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You are watching Learn is One with me, Ayesha Rizwan. And today we are going to do a very exciting and fun thing in MS Word. This document we will format it like we will create some very interesting formatting, very beautiful things in this page with the use of MS Word. But first, let me tell you this document is about past perfect tense. If you didn't saw it, this video, you can go and check the videos of past perfect tense. Okay, there you will find all the details of this video. But today we are going to do some fun things on this page. So let's start. Let's see what things we will do it to make it more beautiful. So we will go to design, and firstly I want to add some page borders. I will go with the box one and I will choose this one. No, I think we will go with the art, okay? So instead of the lines, I want to put like flowers. I think that this will be okay. So let's do it. Now you will see it how amazing it is. Now we will go to page color and I will make it like green. Light green is okay. You see that how beautiful it is. Now inside Control A, I want to create like I want to change the font size. The font we will go with this. Mm, okay, that is okay. I will also Control A and I will make it bigger. 22 is okay. You see that? Now I think it is not looking that much good. Let's go with the design, page borders, and let's choose something really creative because I don't feel good on that. We will go with flowers. Now it is good. And let's change the page color also. Let's go with the funky one. Yellow? No. Oh, this is, I think that is okay. But still, it is not that much good. Green is okay. Yeah, green is okay. We will change, we will do something more to make it more good. Okay, so we will go with colors. Now you see that I changed the color type. Blue and green. You can just choose the colors also from that. I think that is okay. And let's just theme we will select from here. Theme. Okay, now it is not coming because of that. Okay, we will select from there. This button is not opening because I think I'm recording the video, right? So that's why it is not coming. Let me try again. Yeah, it is now coming. You can just choose the theme from there. See, and let's layout. We will make it as A4 size. Okay, design. Let's create some more design. Page number and let's change the color of the font. Home. We will make it as this is okay, dark brown. And you can also see that now color we will change it. We will make it as dark brown. Now this is okay. After we will make, and I will increase this size also. I will make it as 36. Okay, and that one I will make it as blue. Okay, this one I will also make it blue, and let's change that. We will put down because it's not looking good here. Now let's change the table. This is the table, right? So I will press like this, double click. Our theme is red. We can also make it blue, but I think we will go with green or red. See if we will go with that. This looking good now. This color is not good. Let's just inside the text also we have to change. Let's go with this color. And let's change the font inside because it is too much bold. We will make it, and we will make it like that. Now see, it is much good. Blue color. Examples. For example, I am going to give green color. Green color. And this also green. Okay, that's it. So this is how we can just format that Word document. You can customize the worksheet as you like it. Now, if you will present it this format, it will be more nice than compared to the last one. So go and check the last one and come to the this one. Which one you like it? This one or that one? If you like this one, I will make another video with this one. If you like the previous one, I will continue with that. So let me know in the comment which style you like the most and what you have learned basically from this formatting. Actually, the purpose of is how is to teach you how you can format, do some formatting, some meaningful, some useful formatting in the MS Word. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and let me know which things you have learned from this video or you like the video or not. Okay, I will wait for your comment and then Hafiz. Bye bye. Take